Shasho futhi ngirosa sibona neshasha Jonas Malema umusa abantu ukuthi bangalinge bavumele lamamashi aqhubeke ngoba lamamashi akazi ukugcina nje ukuthi kuxoshwa abantu bawufika kodwa uzogcina sexoshwana nina nodwa, especially abantu bakhona laphana eLimpopo nje wabemnyama kanje uthi Jonas Malema amaZulu nje azonimbe athi isho igama lesizulu uhluleke ebeze efaka induku ethi buyela kwelakini uthi uJonas Malema ningalinge nize nihambisane nalamashi labo ngoba nizoba nenkinga.
Kyabona wa machiwa mo batho ba re bona ba batle batho ba utswa kontle ba shapa ma Zimbabwe ba shapa ma Ghanaian ba shapa everything ba re hey le ba Limpopo ba shapiwa no ha o sa buisi Zulu wa betho. But let's ask a question. After you marched and say you don't want Zimbabweans, you don't want Nigerians, you don't want Ghanaians, you close shops, you march. Why are you not coming back to tell us the following day that after that march, we expelled 10 Zimbabweans, and out of those 10 Zimbabweans, we're able to give 10 South Africans jobs? There is no such a report. Why? Because now Kuba ma Zimbabwe, hauna misebetsi, batho bale ba ma Zimbabwe, ba etsa misebetsi e lona le sa batleng ho etsa because those are slaves jobs. They don't pay anything. You want proper jobs. You want a job with a pay slip, with an appointment letter, with pension, with medical aid, and you deserve it. But why are we fighting each other? It is the same people who made us fight each other during apartheid, black on black violence. They sponsored it. The same provinces where blacks were killing blacks during apartheid, sponsored by apartheid government, is the same